1 Minute Swedish Lesson 6. Welcome to this language course from the Radiolingua Network.
I'm Gabriella.
And I'm Mark. You're listening to 1 Minute Swedish, the course in which we're teaching you Swedish 1 minute at a time. In each lesson of this series, we spend just a couple of minutes learning Swedish. But hopefully you can find lots of opportunities to practice your new words and phrases in between lessons.
It's time to begin today's lesson. The clock is ticking.
So let's get learning. Your 1 minute language lesson starts now. Today we're going to learn how to introduce ourselves. To say, my name is, you say,
Jag heter.
So I would say, for example, Jag heter Mark.
And I would say, Jag heter Gabriella.
You try saying this and put your own name at the end of the phrase.
Jag heter.
Try it again.
Jag heter.
One more time.
Jag heter.
Now, if you can say, my name is, or I'm called, then it's also important to be able to ask, what is your name, or what are you called? Have a listen to this phrase.
Vad heter du?
Now, I think we need that a little more slowly, please.
Vad heter du?
Try saying, what is your name, again.
Vad heter du?
So let's run through these two phrases one more time. My name is,
Jag heter.
and what is your name?
Vad heter du? Time's up.
So now you can introduce yourself and ask other people for their names. Okay, that's all for this episode of 1 Minute Swedish.
Tack och hej då.
This is a production of the Radiolingua Network. Find out more at radiolingua.com.